Hello. Today I'm going to be testing cache cleaning apps on the iPhone. These apps clear up badly needed hard drive space. However, you'll see here that only one cache cleaning app actually works in the latest version of iOS. This is the iOS settings screen showing which apps are taking up space, and at the top you can see that the total used space is 6 gigabytes. Cache is temporary space used by apps. The temporary storage is cleaned when the disk gets full. To test cache cleaners, I have a demo app here at the bottom which will fill the cache with 5 gigabytes of junk. Okay, it's filled the cache, its own cache. So we'll go back to the settings app and we can see now it's taken up 5 gigabytes of space. The device's total used space is now 11 gigabytes. Now I'll go to the App Store and find the top cache cleaning apps. So we'll go into search for cache cleaner. So you can see here some of the top apps for the search result are PowerClean, Magic Phone Cleaner, Memory and Disk RAM Scanner Pro, Clean Doctor, and Battery Saver. So I've downloaded these 5 apps and I'll test them out. I'm going to start with Magic Cleaner. So here's Magic Cleaner. We'll open it up, and as you'll remember, the storage on the phone is 5 gigabytes taken up by this fill cache. So we'll go in here and click the Clean Cache button in Magic Phone Cleaner. It takes a second, but this is the only app that is working in 10.3 right now, the latest version of iOS. Apple made some big changes in this version. So here you can see it says 5 gigabytes cleaned. So let's actually go to the settings to verify that. And we can see that actually the storage is back down to 6 gigabytes, which is a great sign. Now we'll go test the next app, PowerClean. So first we're going to have to go to the Fill Cache demo app and fill that cache again. So the app's cache was filled with 5 gigabytes. We'll verify that in the settings. Indeed. Back to PowerClean, and here's the cache cleaner function. So we'll let that run, and it takes a little while as well. So it says optimal cleaned, meaning best performance, that it didn't find anything to clean. So if we go back to the storage, you'll see that Fill Cache app is still taking up 5 gigabytes of space. So that app did not end up working, even though it was the top result in the App Store. And this is a result of that iOS 10.3 change to the file system. So we'll try the next one here, Battery Saver. And before I start the clean junk function, I'll go back to settings and make sure, yes, 11 gigabytes are still taken up. Clean junk. One of the new changes in 10.3 was the Apple file system, which much more intelligently stores files. So this is why we're seeing this difference. This says 81 megabytes free. So we'll go into the settings and we'll see, wow, actually the used number didn't change at all, neither did the fill cache's amount of space it's taking up. So this app lied to us. So let's go on to the next one here, Clean Doctor. So we're going to go System Cache here, and it says no need to clean up the system cache because we have so much space. So it seems maybe this app developer has realized in 10.3 they have an issue, and they're not even attempting to clean the cache unless if the phone is very, very full. So we'll go to the last of the 5 top App Store results for Cache Cleaner, Memory and Disk Scanner Pro. So here, if we scan the disk, we're going to see he's actually in the settings here implemented a APFS mode here. So only use this mode if you're using the new file system. So we're going to go there and try this. We can try the old way first. So far out of all these 5 results for Cache Cleaner that have thousands of downloads, 1 has lied to us, 2 haven't worked, and Magic Cleaner was the only one that actually reliably and honestly cleaned the cache. Okay, so it says it cleaned 87.7 megabytes cache. We're going to go back to the storage here. Still 11.19 used at the top, so this one as well seems to be lying to us. Now if we go in here and I'll enable this APFS mode, but it is extremely slow and I doubt if it even works. But I'll just start it here and you can see that this is an incredibly slow process, and I don't have the patience to sit here for an hour and see if it even works. So here I'll cancel. So now let's go back to the settings and see that in fact the cache is still full from that demo app. So we'll go back to the one cache cleaner which worked, and we'll try to clear the cache again here and see that this is the one app that is working in 10.3 iOS, which implemented sparse files as part of the file system. So all these other cache cleaners haven't taken the time to fix how they work, but as you can see here, the Magic Cleaner is still working. So give it a shot. Go over to the App Store and check out Magic Cleaner and give it a download. It's a great app that is in a space filled with dishonesty. If you liked this video, please like it and subscribe for more reliable app tests in the future. Thanks. Bye.